Recently, I shared how to make these pillars using cardboard. In today's video, I'm going to share how I made this decorative panel and secured it on top of these pillars. I got this wire mesh from Home Depot that is 42 by 84 inches and painted it with gold spray paint. First, I placed the backdrop stand, stacked the cardboards, and placed this mesh on the top to see the height and width I wanted to create. Later, once I completed the pillars, I lifted the mesh and placed it on the backdrop stand and the cardboard pillars. Now, I used a paper roll to create the pink backdrop. Now, using zip ties, I secured the mesh corners to the backdrop stand and the pillar side. I used a black curtain rod first and then placed the mesh on the top and secured it with painted tape. This is how it looked from the top and it was strong and sturdy. Now I created some parrot and bell hangings. With my little one's help, I tied my lotus paper garlands and parrot bell hangings that I created to the mesh by alternating these bells to each mesh box as shown here. This year, I added one more step to my detachable step stands and created 3 step stands for my puja and covered these steps with fabric using painted tape. Here is the final look of my puja decor that I created. Comment and let me know how you liked it.